back to my channel. If you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. Today I'll be showing you how to cook crepes. Our ingredients are 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of unsalted butter, 1.5 cup of flour, 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Let's start by cracking our eggs and adding our 2 teaspoons of sugar and mix everything well.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it.
Let's add in a teaspoon of melted and salted butter.
Rewind, when we rewind.
Add in a portion of your milk and water and mix everything well.
Déjà qu'on n'aimait pas brûler ça. Excusez-moi, veux tout danser comme
Now
pas.
let's add in the flour and mix everything well to ensure there are no lumps in our batter.
Danser,
Once our butter is smooth, we add in our vanilla essence.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly.
As you can see, our butter is ready. Ensure your butter is not thick. Heat up your pan and ensure the heat is not too high and sprinkle some oil on it. Pour in your butter and cook each side for a few seconds.
When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take a sip on it.
Our crepes are ready. They're very soft.
Take a trip on it. When I go you can go slow. Wind it up all night. Baby, take your time.